Hey, welcome back to another junior geometry video. In this video, we wrap up a little mini series of 3 videos about angles and polygons. Right, so in the first 2 videos, we chatted about a rule which worked out the interior angles and worked out what they all add up to, the sum of the interior angles. Here's the rule that we've chatted about in the last couple of videos. So I'm going to race through a last example from one of the videos we've just seen to see if you remember. Calculate the size of each interior angle in a regular pentagon. So we're going to use this formula. We have 5 sides, so we're going to substitute 5 in for n. So we've got S of 5 equal to bracket 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 times 180 degrees gives us, if we use a calculator or our brain, use it to find 540 degrees. So all 5 angles add up to 540. So when we take 540 and divide it into 5 even bits, we work out that each interior angle is 108 degrees. Right, that's a pretty cool way to do it. But in this video, we're going to show you a slightly different way to do it and also work out a few other things about this pentagon. So let's go to example 2. It's the same question. Calculate the size of each interior angle in a regular pentagon, and let's show you a different technique to do this. So I've extended these lines here, and I'm going to add in these angles. These angles we have spoken about before are called exterior angles. If we extend the line of the polygon out, and we keep extending all the lines out, we can draw in what we call the exterior angles. So if we've just focused on the exterior angles now, forget about the interior for a moment, just the exterior, right? Here's a rule that you can learn. Basic, real simple rule. The sum of the exterior angles is 360 degrees. The sum of the exterior angles is 360 degrees. Now, I don't care whether it's a 4-sided shape, a 10-sided shape, 12-sided shape, a 1,000-sided shape. I don't care how many sides, the sum is always 360 for the exterior angles. So if that's the case, each exterior angle in a regular polygon is 360 divided by n, which is how many sides. So coming back to the example, let's use this new rule. Each exterior angle in a regular polygon is 360 divided n. So I'm going to go 360 divide 5 because it's got 5 sides. 360 divide 5 is 72 degrees. So what the heck have I just worked out? I've worked out the size of the exterior angles for this pentagon. They're all 72. I just went 360 divided by 5. Okay, well, what does that help us do? Well, let's go back to the inside angles. You know that an exterior and an interior are on a straight line. And angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So what I'm going to do now is just take 180 degrees and take off the 72, which leaves me the rest of the angle, the blue angles, which are all the interior, and they're 108 degrees each. So this is a different technique to help us find interior angles in a regular pentagon, but also we can now find exterior angles as well. So let's do example 3 to wrap up and see if you follow along once more. Calculate the size of each interior angle in a regular pentagon. Well, here's the exterior angles I've added. We've just talked about the sum of the exterior angles is always 360, don't care how many sides. So therefore, each exterior angle is 360 divided by n. So 360 divided by 8, because the octagon's got 8 sides, is 45 degrees. And we know an exterior and an interior add up to 180. So 180 minus 45 is 135. So what have I just worked out? That each exterior is 45 and each interior is 135 degrees. Right, well, I think that's us. So thanks so much for listening in.